Welcome to our new unit. It's going to be titled Unit 2, A Raisin in the Sun, and you will see a purple Raisin in the Sun resources folder in our Schoology stream. You're going to want to start by opening that and then opening this activity, this page that has the link for the activity. This is the background info carousel. It's what you're going to use for the station activities that we will be doing all of this week and part of next week. So you'll need to keep coming back to this purple Unit 2 Raisin in the Sun resources folder, or once you get it open and you save your copy to your drive, you can just access it from there. So as a reminder, this is the Raisin in the Sun background info carousel that you're going to use for the station activity. And you're going to be using it for the station activities all this week in our 1020 to 1023 weekly resource folder. Go into the activities, and we're going to start with Tuesday's station number 1 activity. Open it up. You're going to open that up. It's going to force you to make a copy into your drive, and you should be staring at something like this. So, as it says in the directions, you're going to need to go to the link for this station number 1, in the carousel. So here I am. I'm at station number 1. This is the link. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open up, and this is the page that I will be using in order to answer these questions for station number 1. Okay, so I'm going to read through some of the examples of the Jim Crow laws from the page that was hyperlinked inside of the carousel, and then I'm going to go through and start answering the questions. I'm going to identify, I'm going to name, and provide a summary for one of the sections of the article. This is the article it's talking about. There's several sections to choose from. Then you're going to need to pick one or two of the law examples. So you'll go here, you'll go to the actual laws, Jim Crow laws in daily life, and there's several laws that you could choose from. You're going to pick one or two examples that just draw your attention. I want you to name those laws and explain why you chose them. Why did they draw your attention? The last thing you'll need to do is provide an argument about how the laws you chose better yet, this question here, might impact present day America. After you've completed that, you are finished with the activity. You can submit it and you're good to go for the day.